Hi guys, and welcome back to another video with HobbyLink. Today we're going to be looking at how to build two different types of cargo ships. One's an oil tanker and one's a container ship. I built them from a book but added a few little changes, and this is what they look like. Start with this 2x6 plate, and on top of that you need to put a 2x4 brick. Two 2x1s on the end, or a 2x2, but I use 2x1, and a 2x3 brick on the end like that. Okay, now to make a top layer you use a 1x2 on the very end, like that, then 2x4s. Like that. Okay, so now you need to add a 2x1 jumper plate, and on a 2x1 brick with a bar, plate with a bar, goes on the end backwards like that. Okay, so now for the funnel you need these 1x1 studs, 2 white, and a black on top. Now for the main thing, you could use these headlight bricks, or you can just use plain bricks. Doesn't make a difference. It does add a bit of texture, but it doesn't actually change the build at all because you don't use them. They just appear as windows like that, and then a 2x4 brick on top of them, and a 2x1 slope brick backwards to create like that. Okay, so now for the containers, any colour 2x1 bricks like that. You can use any shape, any colour, depending on what containers you want. And this is what you get. And that's the finished container. Okay, so now for the oil tanker. It has the same base design as the cargo ship, but this time I used a 2x2 brick, slope brick, rather than two 2x1s. 2x4. And 2x3. There you go. You don't have to use a different colour, but I thought blue. Now for the black top, 2x6 brick. There we go, and a 2x3 brick on the end, like that. Okay, so now you put this grey 2x1 jumper plate at the front, like that, and a white one at the very back. Okay, so now for the pipes you need to put these together, 2 lots of them. So there you go. Make sure that the holes in them are facing in the same way. Do that with both, like that. Put a grey stud on the front, like that. And a funnel. I made this funnel earlier, but if you watched the cargo ship, you'll know how to make them too. It's just 2 white studs and then a black one on top. Now we're going to make the clips that hold the pipelines in. I use 2 colours, as in grey and dark grey, because it makes it look like a like a very used ship that needs repairing. So make sure that you do space for the bridge there, like that. That's fine. Okay, now for the bridge. I didn't use headlight bricks this time, but 1 by 1 bricks work just as well. So you slide them into place. There we go. And then the 2 by 4 brick again. And the 2 by 1 slope brick on the top, so it places. Okay, so now you place the pipeline on here with the gaps facing upwards, otherwise it won't fit in the clip, like that. And on the last clip it will be a bit of a squeeze because it has to, if you push it fully, try not to break the ship. Okay. And then if you repeat that step.
We can melt it on ice cream.
Really is stiff. There we go, like that. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, and please put any other video ideas in the comments below.